Welcome to this SEO tutorial for beginners 2025, your complete basic to advanced guide to mastering SEO step by step. Whether you're a student, freelancer, blogger, or business owner, learning SEO will help you grow online and reach more people. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a digital strategy to make your website appear on the first page of Google. There are three main types of SEO you must know: on-page SEO, optimizing your content, meta tags, and keywords. Off-page SEO, building backlinks and improving domain authority. Technical SEO, improving site speed, mobile friendliness, and structure. To rank on Google, you need the right keywords. Use these tools to find them: Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, SEMrush. Focus on low competition, high search volume keywords for faster ranking. Here's how to optimize your page. Use the keyword in your title, meta description, and URL. Add internal and external links. Optimize images with alt text. Write high-quality original content. Boost your ranking by increasing your site's authority. Create high-quality backlinks. Promote on social media and forums. Do guest posting and collaborate with influencers. Technical SEO ensures your site is healthy and crawlable. Increase your website speed. Make your site mobile-friendly. Use SSL, HTTPS. Set up robots.txt and XML sitemap. Here are the top SEO tools for 2025. Keyword tools: Ahrefs, SEMrush. Backlink checkers: Moz, Ubersuggest. Technical tools: Screaming Frog, GTmetrix. Keep learning. SEO is always evolving. Follow Google updates regularly. Practice daily to improve your skills. Stay consistent and trust the process. Learn SEO from A to Z. Rank websites on Google. Start freelancing or grow your own business. Get real tips from the best SEO consultant, Rojab Ali. Don't forget, like this video, comment your questions, share with friends who want to learn SEO. Subscribe to stay updated with more SEO guides.